Take a ride in the 2020 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable running boards, engine block heater, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find heated front seats, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, ventilated front seats, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power adjustable pedals. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.